What's up, my royal flush? It is IJ Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back for another video. In today's particular video, it's going to be a hot or not of a viral Instagram brand that kind of went viral last year that everybody was purchasing, but I'm just not purchasing because I'm broke. But now I'm not really broke, but I kind of am broke at the same time. And the brand is called MYO makeup. And I purchased all of their pigments right here, which is, you know, let me just show y'all the ones that stand out the most, which is like this bright neon color right here. Oh, it's so pretty. This cobalt blue, this neon pink, this neon orange, and so on and so on. I did a video with Neon MUA, my fellow beauty boy, here on YouTube. We were lit in our video, so make sure y'all go check that up and hit that eye up there. If you guys want to see this review on Maya makeup or MYO makeup or however you pronounce this brand's makeup, I thought I was also buying the stacks, the pigment stacks, but no, it's just these little loose pigments, and I don't even think I'm going to use them that much, to be honest, because I don't really do creative looks like that. With that being said, you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the royal flush, where we all are royal here. We're royalty, okay? And go ahead and hit that bell notification button as well to be notified for my future uploads. And yeah, don't be a part of the 80% that watches my videos and y'all not subscribed. Please subscribe, join the family, and with that being said, let's just get into this video, y'all.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination.
Okay, guys, so I'm back and I did one eye off camera, and this is like the hardest thing I've ever done in my makeup career, y'all. Like, I did a half moon cut crease, like, you know, like that. This is the hardest thing I've ever done, y'all. I was literally like, what the fuck, this shit. Okay, let me get back to the makeup. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and I'm going to pop that all over my eyelid as a kind of like a light base. And we're gonna go in with some intense colors, you guys. So you want to get a concealer that's pretty light. So because we're going in with intense colors and pigments. So now I'm going to take, what brush? Okay, I'm going to take my Morphe R39 brush, which is a detailed crease brush, and I'm going to dip in. Wait, why am I talking? Cue the voiceover. First, I'm going to take that shade called Jax in the Jaclyn Hill palette on a Morphe blending brush, and I'm just going to be stamping it on the outer V and just working that around my whole eyelid. Now, I do want to add that this color did leave a pink stain on my eye. You know, I woke up the next day and I had a pink stain on my lid. But I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm going to be blending out the edges of that eyeshadow. Dipping back into that Jack shade, I'm going to be stamping that on just to bring some of the pigment back. Taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, I'm going to be doing this cut crease trick, you know, so like, you know, your eyeshadow doesn't transfer. And I'm just going to be cutting my crease with that concealer. Taking the MYO makeup pigment, which is a loose pigment, I'm going to be taking that on a packer brush and just packing that all over my concealer. By the way, I did not set the concealer up underneath it, just so the pigment can stick to my eyelid more. By the way, these do crack, so you have to pack more on just to get rid of the cracking. Taking more of a detailed brush, I'm going to be using that just to get around the edges of this cut crease, because the big packer brush that I used was not, small enough to get around my cut crease. Now I'm going to pop on some lashes and do a quick wing liner off camera, and I'll be right back. Lashes just make everything look so much better, y'all. Like, oh my god. And the wing liner. And I'm going to start off on my base. I'm going to take my trusty Cover FX primer, which is a blurring primer, which is the best blurring primer I've ever used, and I've only used 3 so far, and this is the best one. It's better than the Benefit Professional. It blurs the crap out of your pores, y'all, so I would say definitely go get it. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I will definitely re-buy this primer. Taking the Maybelline the Stay Whatever foundation, the full coverage one, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to take a generous amount and put that all over my face. I'm in the color 330. If you guys are don't know, I'm in the color 330 of all Maybelline's foundations. So just a little shade reference if y'all want to know. This foundation is really good. I haven't used it in like a month. So yeah. Taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Medium Tan. I'm going to use that up under my eyes. This is my favorite concealer, my favorite shade that I've used so far. I might actually pick up some more LA Girl concealers, because I haven't used those in like 2 years. But these so far are my favorite concealers. And I'm going to be blending that out with my same Morphe sponge that I blend my foundation out with. Setting the rest of my face with my LA Girl Pro Finish Powder in the color True Bronze. And I'm going to be taking that Pure Cosmetics contour palette that I received in the BoxyCharm on a Morphe fan brush. And I'm just going to be contouring my face and bringing back, some definition into my face. Taking my Morphe 8W blush palette, I'm going to be dipping into that shade and just adding a cute little flush of blush on my face. And also I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer on a Morphe M527 brush, and I'm just going to bronzing up my face. Taking my Too Faced 3-in-1 primer spray, I'm going to be just soaking and drenching down my face in this spray just to make sure everything is nice together. And I'm going to be taking my Makeup Shayla X ColourPop collaboration highlighter in the color Boomin', and yeah, and this highlighter is booming, y'all. There's a highlighter video that I'm about to review soon, so make sure y'all check that out and, you know, stay tuned. Taking my Pop Beauty X Victor Ramos collab in the color Basic B. I'm about to just apply that to my lips because, you know, y'all know I'm a basic bitch. Okay, so I love nudes when it's like such a bold eye and stuff like that. I love nudes. And yeah, I'm going to be topping that off with gloss, which is the ColourPop X Shayla gloss, and I forgot the name of that gloss, y'all. I really forgot the name of that gloss, but yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Sorry, Nico, I had to pop on a gloss for this video. Okay, taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist Spray, and I'm just going to be setting this mug, y'all. And this is the finished look, y'all. I really liked it. It was really cute, really pretty. Stay tuned for my, you know, my final thoughts about the products and different stuff like that. But yeah, this is me just signing out. See y'all later, and stay tuned. Okay, so that concludes today's video, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video so much. It was a voiceover. Yeah, so ooh. It was a voiceover because I don't know, I just felt like I was too lazy to edit, to talk. I don't know, to talk through it. It would probably take too long. So yes, this is the finished look. The MYO pigment stacks, well, they're not the stacks, but the pigments. I think the stacks are bigger than these little nuggets. But that was $20 for 10 pigments, 10 of their ultra bright pigments that glow in the dark. They do glow in the dark. I would not recommend wearing them out to go anywhere because, you know, they're meant for, like, I guess, looks. That's all you can really use them for, is like quick little looks and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys, so that kind of wraps up this video and review. I would say if you like doing colorful looks like this, which I will actually try to incorporate more use out of those shadows, then pick them up. They were only $20. You know, it didn't take that long to get to me. It took like a week to get to me, which is not bad at all. So yeah, so with that being said, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right before you leave, and also that bell notification button as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.